all of these together are the men, the soldiers, who are quietly but courageously helping to write new chapters in the techniques of waging and winning wars. In the remote, scarred mountains and deltas of Vietnam, these men bring their skills in this new technique to assist in the training of a hard-pressed ally who has been fighting a difficult war against the communists for many long and lonely years. As advisors to the military forces of South Vietnam, the United States Army aviators are introducing those forces to a new concept and a new dimension of mobility. And the South Vietnamese, in turn, use the increased power which this mobility gives them to seek out the hidden enemy who strikes from the jungle and returns to its protection. If the war can be carried to the enemy so that he has no place to hide, the war can be won, and it will be these men who will have shown the way.